Happy Stang Sunday to you guys. Listen to this bitch run. Still gotta set the timing, but first time she's been fired in a long time. Live. All right, heater core's in. Got to tuck some of the wires underneath of it, and I left the console out because I have to repair the shifter. But the heater core is done, so that's in. The seats are in. They're looking good too. I have to connect the lines up here, but it's pushed through the firewall, so that's there. Super exciting stuff. Now I'm on to doing the door pins and bushings, so I just pulled back the fender to give me access to the door so I can remove that to get that done. That door's hanging really bad. The other one's pretty solid, but I'm going to go ahead and replace them both anyway. Late night flow, right? Got to get caught up. So do the pins and bushings in this. I got to do inner and outer tie rods on it, fine tune it, put the rest of the interior back together. That's good to go. This quarter panel for the 98 Saleen is done and cleaned. It's ready to be installed. So now Friday is the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday, while people are out shopping, we'll be doing quarter panel replacement. So hopefully by end of day Friday, that Saleen will have a complete quarter panel swap. And it's the same color. Bonus. So let's wrap up at the shop tonight. It's like 11 o'clock. I think I'm about ready to call it a night. I'll probably play this game tomorrow. Back on the 51 first thing in the morning. Just posted a new video up, so if you haven't seen that, check it out. It's pretty crazy build. Well, thank God. Getting so close on this one. It's gonna be nice. Black interior, baby. Beautiful. That's it. That's where I'm at with that project. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, wait. One more thing. I did a thing. Put the LX taillights in it. Took the GTs out. I think it looks a lot better. On black, I can rock it. I like the LX tails. I think it's a good look for it. Plus, I get to keep my original cheese graters. It's never a bad thing to have any inventories. There she is. She's coming along. Thanks for watching, guys.